Everybody talks about make sure your radiator cover is secured, but nobody tells you what to look for. So let me take this off. Okay, so if you're buying your YXZ off the lot, you need to check this because obviously some of the dealers, they're not checking this. So you have these 3 tabs right here. Those clip over the top of this grill. Okay, you have these 2 tabs that point forward, and you have your clips. So when you're installing this, this is a little bit harder because I have the pack out in here. You need to, and it's easier for me to do because I have this top section removed, but you might have to go to the front to get those tabs over this grill piece. Get your side tabs in here, and then put your clips in and inspect these clips to make sure they're not broken. So I don't see how you guys are getting these to fly off if it's installed properly. So brand new YXZ owners, just check that as one of your steps before driving off the lot.